So the clip command will let you break or remove objects within a boundary or outside of a boundary. So in this example, I have a building and I have contours running through the building. So I'm going to use the clip command to remove the lines inside the bounding lines. So I want to get rid of these. Now I could use the remove lines outside the boundary lines and it'll get rid of all the ones on the outside of it. Or I could just simply break them. So depending on what you want to do, if you want to keep the lines and just break them at those where it crosses, you would use this command. So I'm going to remove the lines within the boundary lines. The first thing I'm going to do is select the closed boundary lines, and it's simply just picking on that polyline. You can use the options to pick by layer or do the select by polygon or by layer or by elevation range. Okay, but I'm just going to use this line here. Now the lines that I want to clip are the ones that are in here. Now again, I can just use this my control key or my shift key to pick those objects, or I could do by layer or some other selection option or method. Once I have the objects that I have as my closing bounding line and my lines I want to clip, I click apply, and you'll see that it removes those lines within that boundary. Then you can close the command.